Hey folks, my name is Aman Singh Tomar and today in this video we'll cover the overview of Firebase. Firebase is a Google product which provides us backend services. So if you don't know backend or you don't want to write thousands lines of backend code, then you can integrate Firebase with your Android application, web application and the iOS application. So for some extent Firebase provides us free services, but if you are building a large scale application then you can go for a premium plan. So this is a Firebase website. You have to log in with a Google account. So let's go to the console of the Firebase. So this is my already created project. So by default we are initialized with a Spark plan. Spark plan is a Firebase free plan. You can integrate the iOS app, Android app and the web application. The services that are provided by Firebase are authentication. It provides us two databases. One is Firestore database, another is real-time database. We will cover these databases into the upcoming videos. It also provides us storage. So here you can store any of your media files like audio, video, PDFs. You can upload directly from the console or you can do it by code. You can also host your website to the Firebase. Firebase functions are used for running the backend, but there is a condition: you can only use the functions into the premium plan. You can also use the machine learning feature with your Android application or the iOS application. There are many other features like release and monitor, analytics and engage. We'll cover into the upcoming videos. So let's check the billing of the Firebase. So here I am clicking on the full details. So for some of the features, billings are not required. For authentication, there are some limits. For database also there are some limits. For cloud functions, it is not applicable for the free plan. Hosting has also some limit for the free plan. Same for the machine learning. Real-time database has also some limit, and cloud storage has also some limit. We will cover each of the features into our upcoming videos with the help of a React project. So if you have any question, you can write down into the comment section, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.